Hello, my name is Jacob, and I'm going to be teaching you how to find f prime of x using the limit definition of a derivative. So this is for Homework Journal 3.2, and the question I was given for this one was to find f prime of x of f of x, and that is 5 minus 2 of x squared. So to go ahead and start this, we're going to use the limit definition of a derivative. So the equation for that is going to look like f(x) plus h minus f of x all over h. So for this, we're just plugging in the numbers into this equation here where they're supposed to go. So since this is f of x plus h, it's going to look like f minus 2x plus h squared minus 5 minus 2x squared. And then that'll all be over h. So all we got to do is now simplify the expression. Well, this is actually supposed to be a derivative. So equals limit of h to 0. We're going to simplify our expression. So first, we're going to factor out. It's going to come out to 5 minus 2x squared minus 4xh plus negative 2h squared minus 5 plus 2x squared all over h again. Next, go ahead and just get rid of common factors and subtract and add as needed. And that's going to come out to negative 4xh minus 2h squared all over h again. And then our final step is get rid of that h on the bottom in the denominator. And that'll come out to negative 4x minus 2h. So that's the most simplified we're going to be able to get this. So this is our final equation for the limit derivative, or for the using the limit law. So next, we're just going to go ahead and plug in 0 for h. And then that'll give us our f prime, so our final derivative. So negative 4x minus 2, 0. And our final equation for f prime of x is going to be negative 4x. So just to run back through, we have our f of x. We need to find f prime of x. We're going to use our limit law right here. All we got to do is plug in the values as needed. So plug in f of x plus h into where it needs to go. Make sure to pay attention to your signs when doing this. And then start simplifying. So factor as needed, cancel as needed, whatever needs to happen in order to get to your final equation. After doing all of that, we'll get to negative 4x minus 2h, or we'll usually have an x and an h within our final numbers. All we have to do is plug in 0, our limit of h goes to 0, into our h, and that'll give us our final f prime of x. So in this case, we ended up with negative 4x as our f prime of x. And that is how to find f prime of x using limit definition of a derivative. Thank you.